Today at the DesignCon 2017, we're demoing our latest technology in OD. Here's the demo with Impulse OD. We are collaborating with our friends at Credo, and in fact we are running two simultaneous sets of chips, one with PAM4 technology, the other one is with NRZ. We're running at 56 gig. Beside the throughput, we also have a crosstalk, and we are seeing today very low bit error count rate. Order of magnitude is -13, so it shows to demonstrate to customers that we can have a system that they can have a longer reach, and even with the crosstalk our system performs really well.